Well, June gold futures doing a little bit more than holding their own today, matching up against 2-week highs, up 4 days in a row. Today, basically on a dovish Draghi. IMF coming out late yesterday, downgrading global growth prospects, et cetera, et cetera. Also had CPI this morning. Not controversial. The core did disappoint again, up 1/10 versus a consensus of up 2/10. And year on year, core CPI disappointed, slipped away again. All that to say, gold did rally today. Not very big rally. We had about a $10 range, 1314.60 was the high, and 1304.70 the low. So actually $9.90 range, closing near the high of the day. 5-day performance, gold futures up about 141 basis points. 1-month performance is up about 0.5%. Year to date, up about 1.5%. What was keeping the lid on gold today? Some people think the rally should have been more significant. A lot of resistance zones were breached today, but some news came out earlier this morning that Venezuela was selling about 8 tons of their gold through the central bank and going to release that to the market. That definitely kept a lid on pricing today. That news is actually more rumor than actually substantiated news, but we'll see in the next few days. That has kept gold from rallying even more, at least according to traders. Interesting enough, we saw long-term gold volatility actually up a little bit on the day. 3-month volatility was flat. 1-month tenor was down about 0.2% on the day. Beyond that, we see 1314.60 the high, 1304.70 the low as mentioned, but that butts up against a lot of support and resistance zones. 1330.80 would be needed for gold bulls to confirm a next phase rally. On the downside, 1284.90 is the big near-term support. Closing below that would continue the downward trend that a lot of bears think is going to happen in the second half of 2019.